because of fertilized soil, land, because of fertilized soil, and the land is highly productive for cultivation in India too. The indigo genetic plains are most densely populated regions of country. Plains are largest stretch of flat land. They are generally not more than 200 meters above mean sea level. Some plains are extremely level, others may be slightly rolling and undulating. Most of the plains are formed by river and their tributaries. The rivers flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them. They carry forwarded the eroded material. They deposit their load consisting of stones, sand, and sit along their courses and in their valleys. It is from this deposit that plains are formed. Generally, plains are very fertile. Construction of transport network is easy. Thus, these plains are very thickly populated regions of the world. Some of the largest plains made by the rivers are found in Asia and North America. For example, in Asia, these plains are formed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra in India and the Yangtze in China. Plains are the most useful area for human habitation. This is a great concentrations of people as more flat land is available for building house as well as for cultivations. Because of fertilized soil, land, because of fertilized soil, and the land is highly productive for cultivation in India too. The indigo genetic plains are most densely populated regions of country. Landforms and the people. Humans have been living on different kinds of landforms in a different way. Life is difficult in on mountains area. Plains provide much better conditions. It is easy to grow crops, build a house or a road in plains than a mountain. Can you point out some difference in the ways people live in on different kinds of land? From sometimes natural calamities such as earthquake, volcanic eruptions, storms and floods, cases of widespread destructions, hug loss of life and property takes place. By creative awareness about such as incidents, we may lower the risk. You may find out from your own surroundings in how many ways we use the land and water. Quite often we use the land in a wasteful manner. For example, constructing a house on a fertile land. Similarly, we throw garbage on land or in water, making them dirty. We should avoid using such important gifts or nature in careless manner. The available land is not only for our use. It is our duty to leave the earth a better palace for a future generation as well. Look carefully at the photographs. Write one sentence about each of the photograph. Name the land from the features shown in the photographs 1, 2 and 7. What appears to be the main use of this land? What activities do you see in the photograph? What type of house do you see in photograph? Name the water support games shown in photographs. So name the two means of transport shown in photograph. Take the correct answer. Where the mountains differ from the hills in the terms of except Glaciers are found in the mountains. The Deccan Plateau is located in East India. The river Yangtze flows in China. An important mountain range of Europe, the Alps.